Okay, good morning. If you have been following me, you all know that I'm Maximilian, and if this is the first time you're getting to my video, do well to watch, subscribe right now so you don't miss my content again. So today, like I always do every day, I do directional bias and how I find my directional bias every day for my trades and my entries. So you all know that yesterday I called out that this USD JPY is going bullish and it went bullish to my favor. So and I called out to that this the Aussie 200 is going bullish too. And yeah, it did what I predicted exactly. So today, what am I predicting now? My prediction now is that since the market is bullish, I'm still looking for more bullish setups. Okay, that's what we are doing today. Since the market is bullish, we are continuing to look for bullish setups. We're not changing our mind. As you can see that I don't know over here from what I'm seeing here, this pair has not finished with these buys. Okay, it has not finished with these buys yet. So since that it has not finished with these buys, I'm expecting this market to take out this external liquidity here. Okay, and maybe go more pips to come down and retrace and move up again. That's so simple. So don't worry what I did here. Here is where I entered buy. I feel like it didn't go, you go, you went, but you went up by 12 in the night. Almost came to my stop loss before moving. That's when we see that trading in when you start to trade with understanding market structure, things become a little bit easier and get to know where you want to enter, how you want to enter, and what you're looking for. So what I'm looking for here was a retreat back before moving up. But this morning on this pair, I'm expecting it to complete this move up here, like I said before. Complete this move up here. That's my directional bias for today. So now I'll be like, okay, what has the trend been doing a very long time? The trend has been bullish. You can see that it has been bullish from higher time frame. It changed color here and it became bullish automatically, right? Okay. Then I'll ask myself, if the market is bullish, what again should I ask myself about this market? Then ask yourself, has price run through any higher time frame? It never run through this time frame, this lower time frame here. It didn't run through it. So it's not a change of character yet. So the next thing I'm going to ask myself is any market structure occurred and you still know. So you still know, so you still know for the two, that means we are still bullish in the two pairs. Okay. And after the loss, if Albion will take a loss, was there uh, any change of character? No, we didn't take a loss and we hit the profit on USDJPY, which we cut by. Yeah, and I'm expecting to buy again from here. I'm expecting to buy from this middle here to continue and now move up here. Okay, so as we have figured these two things out, that is only three, four things we need to ask ourselves each morning. Okay, so I think this has been keeping me consistent and this has been giving me less emotion and less of analysis every day. If I do it like this, I'll move on with my day. After moving on with my day, I know for sure that the market is bullish. Maybe if it's bearish through another day, if I have a loss, I'll be like, okay, I can't be 100%. The market is always right today. The market has changed character yesterday. Market changed character today. So since market changed character yesterday, I'm looking for bullish trend. Since market changed character today, I'm looking for bearish trend. That's how I use it. So I try to document it so I don't lose focus. I don't lose the direction of the trade. I just follow the trend as it goes. Like I journal what the structure is telling me all this why. There is no need to go on higher time frame anymore, because if I want to go to higher time frame, it will take out this before change of character, or it will take this one out. I know that yes, the change of character has occurred. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because this is like a structure. So if you take this one out, I know that change of character is about to happen. But if you didn't take it out, I know that okay, the market is too bullish, or it's too bullish. Now we have to do what? Ignore everything that we are seeing here, knowing fully well that I'm following this. So now I'm no more looking for where the reversal will be. I'm following what the market is saying. Okay? But the market is telling me that I'm bullish. There's no need me waiting for the market to come and break here for me to start selling. And if you're waiting to sell here, there's no need for you to sell here, because you can see a clear trend that this is just a pullback to move up. Okay? So what again should you learn today? What I need to tell you again is that psychology is everything. Psychology is everything in this trading. You have to keep yourself in check with your emotions and everything, so that even in the time of trials, because the pairs will try you. Like I know what happened here just here alone yesterday. I know what happened here yesterday. Sometimes I even wanted to close. I wanted to close at this point. I wanted to close here. I was like, no, no, no. I've seen a lot of people. I've seen my trades or my back testing come down close to my stop loss and went up to profit. I'm not closing that anymore, because the sentiment say that we are bullish. There's no way I'm changing my structure unless there is a takeout in break of structure. Immediately I understood what I was about to do. I immediately stick my ground to hold my trades. Even with these trial moments, I held my trade, because I know that this is what the statement says, that I'm bullish, and this is what I posted to you on to tell you that my daily bias is bullish. So I'm looking for only bullish trades. I'm not looking for any sell or any short in this area. Okay, and you can see it played out good, played out good, played out good. Mm, played out good. I'm so happy about that. So then, for today, let's go with what we have to do for today to know the directional bias for today and our entry point and where we are expecting to leave the market. That's my edge. This is what I'm doing, is my daily edge. This is what I do for me not to be in the charts for hours. So I woke up in the morning, I just left the chat in the after Asian session. I don't look at my charts in the Asian session, even though sometimes I get forced to look at it. But early morning London session, I woke up, I look at my pairs. From what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing USD JPY. Let's start with USD JPY. USD JPY has been nice to us. Yeah, that's been nice to us. And for a very long time, we using this USD JPY to look for consistency in this trading space. And hopefully we'll get it. So what do we see here today? We are seeing a bullish structure here, a break of structure we are expecting the market to take out. We don't know when it to take it out. And here is the deep pullback. After here is a deep pullback. Why did I pick this one? I picked this one because I'm expecting this thing to happen around 12. The market to start moving around 10 as most. So if my market move by 10, and with this idea here, what am I expecting again? Why choosing this pair? Why don't you go for here? I know that's what some people are asking. Why not here? Why not here? Why here? The market is trying to tell you a story. On the Asian session, I didn't move down too fast, showing that my strength is still bullish. I'm just resting for the Asian to wake up, from the London to wake up, so I can start moving during what London. That's a pure story that the market is trying to tell us here. I'm bullish. I'm waiting for people to wake up for me to start moving on. I don't know if you understand the whole story behind what's happening here. Okay? It was like, if I want to use here now, LA Asian session, now LA Asian London session, I would have been breaking this low to come down here, because the pair will always want to move. It's the duty to pair of to be moving each day, with or without. So with that being in mind, the market wants to move. How is it trying to move? Okay, here already you have seen that it's created another pullback before coming down, to show that I want to move up, but this is not the area I should move up. I'm coming down take to meet where a lot of prices are, to start moving. Okay, that's it for this story, and I hope you understand that. Okay, I hope you understand that. So let's come to Aussie 200, yeah, which is just like Australia S&P 500. So what are we seeing here? We can see too that the market is bullish, like I was saying. Since the market is bullish and this trend begins, this pullback begins at early morning this morning. This is Asian session by 1, and by 5 or 6 is still up. I'm not expecting you to come down anymore. I'm expecting you to take out what this level, this external liquidity. Why? Because you need to take it out, because that's your objective, that's your main goal, is to take it out. Okay, because the price cannot stay here, the price cannot stay here, cannot be ranging here forever. It will either go up or go down. In which one? I just hope you're making money. Okay, if you want my mentorship, I'll be offering a one-on-one mentorship for me to teach you how I trade, for me to put you through this gradual process on how I do my daily bias, find profitability, so you don't go to the market each day feeling confused or feeling overwhelmed by the market. I will show you guide on how I spot my daily bias, how I win my trades, how I manage my trades, and teach you a lot of things I know for you to make sure that you be profitable. You should put in the work. Okay, so that's it. And for a bonus, if you have been here to the end, I will give you a bonus. The bonus is this. Okay, okay. So this market is showing that it's very smarter than us. Okay, this market has been very short. This point you can see it took out this external liquidity, it moved up to take out, it broke us out from here. Okay, so after the change of order, it tested here and moved up again. Okay, what are we going to do? We're going to stand our ground and wait. Stand our ground and wait for what the market is doing. Actually, I was expecting the market to come down here and tap us in before moving, but I think that he worked with this breaker block here to start moving upwards immediately. We're not chasing. We're not chasing. If that's what it feels like it's good for him to do, for her to do, AUD, it's good for her. We don't chase, we just set our trap, put our alarm. Once the trap close the alarm, we get a notification. We open our system. We look for we look for the animal to snipe. make our profits, walk away gently. Okay, so that's it all for today. Do well to subscribe to my channel just right now, immediately, so you don't miss out all these daily pointers for you to be profitable. This is the fastest way to be profitable. Gentle approach to the market. After that, you set your alarm, shut down your laptop, and walk away. Okay. So drop me in comment section if you like what I do. Drop comment section how you see my um understanding in trading. If you like it, do well to subscribe, share my videos to your friends so they watch it too. See you all in the next one. Bye.